Most people download MetaTrader 5, open it once, stare at the screen for 30 seconds, and close it forever. Not because trading is hard, not because the platform is broken, but because nobody ever sat down and showed them how it actually works. I've been using trading platforms for over 12 years, and in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to install, set up, and use MetaTrader 5 the right way. No jargon, no overwhelm, no wasted time. Just the truth about how this platform works in real life. If this is your first time here, this channel is about one thing: taking powerful, complicated tools and making them feel easy. Today, that tool is MetaTrader 5. By the end of this video, you won't just know what the buttons do. You'll understand why they're there and how real traders actually use them. Let's get into it. Step 1. Getting the platform on your device. Go to your broker's official website or search MetaTrader 5 download and open the official MetaQuotes website. You'll see download options for Windows PC, Mac, Android, and iPhone. Choose the version that matches your device. The installation is simple, just like installing any other app. Click Next, Next, Install, then Finish. The whole process takes less than 2 minutes. When MetaTrader 5 opens for the first time, it will ask you to log in. If you've never traded before, choose a demo account. In this video, we covered how to download and install MetaTrader 5 step by step. In the next video, we'll walk through the most important part: how to create your account and log into the platform, step by step. If you want to truly understand how everything works and start trading the right way, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss part 2. And let me know in the comments if you've already installed MetaTrader 5 or if you need help. I reply to everyone. I'll see you in the next video.